thing in the world for me. It's just like beauty products and things that make me feel like good and sexy about myself. I feel like when I was younger, I didn't really do like a lot of self-care and, you know, cared about my skin. I just was like, whatever, it is what it is. But I'm just like this right now. I'm really into it. And I'm excited about my journey, what I'm going to do with myself and the goals I have and all that good stuff. So let's get this started today, like right now. All right, ladies, so today I'm doing a hair care tutorial on LUSETA Beauty brand, and I'm so excited because it came in this big package. When I got home, I was like, oh, wait a minute, what's going on? Like, I was excited, like, not a big package. You know, it wasn't little, it was big. You know, I like big things, okay? So when you open it up, it's so beautiful. I love the display. That it's just neatly put in, you know, and it just has 4 products, not one, but 4 products. Right, so number 1, we have our shampoo. I always got to start off with the shampoo to get that cleanse, and it's saying that is strengthening, thickening formula, free of solvents and parabens and gluten. This is for thin, dry hair. My hair ain't thin, but whatever. A luxury natural blend with vitamin B7, biotin, hydrolyzed collagen, and argan oil. It helps restore necessary nutrients into every strand and makes your hair even stronger. I like that. Stronger, thicker, and fuller. So maybe, yeah, this is for the girls. This is for all the girls. Even if you have thin hair or if you have thick hair, I think that it would be a good little thing to have. So the next thing is going to be the conditioner. Let me smell it right quick. It smells really good, y'all. I'm really into smells. Like, if it smells good, my hand's oily. If it smells good, then I'm most definitely about to get it. Okay, so it's a biotin collagen conditioner and strengthening, thickening formula. Absolutely love that. This is rich conditioner is infused with vitamin B7, biotin, hydrolyzed collagen, argan oil, stronger and thicker hair. After you use this LUSETA biotin and collagen shampoo for a better result, you use this conditioner because the conditioner is gonna make it pop. Yeah, excited. I like biotin. I take biotin as a vitamin already, so I know when the biotin get in the hair, it's gonna just do something different. But that smell is absolutely beautiful. The next thing I am gonna go into is, let's go this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Okay, my hand's a little bit oily because I was playing around with that conditioner. So we gonna just pop the top. You feel me? Let's go into this hair mask. The hair mask. Let's see what this smells like. It smells really good. I can't wait to use these products. The hair mask is color safe, so if you have color in your hair, it's cool, boo. Use it. So it says the biotin collagen hair mask is infused with vitamin B7, biotin, hydrolyzed collagen, argan oil. So it seems like everything is in there in each product. But you got to go through the steps, basically. Make sure you got the steps because they all work together. So last but not least, because I love me some oil. I love oil. Oil is really like, I like it for my skin. But biotin and collagen strengthening oil treatment. So this is a luxury natural blend with vitamin B7, biotin, hydrolyzed collagen, and argan oil. Most definitely a must have. Of course, it has other ingredients. It has seed oil, macadamia, tern, folia, seed oil, other things, hydrolyzed collagen, biotin in there. It's different ingredients in all of them, but the same base. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just see how that consistency is with the oil. It doesn't really have much of a smell, but it does have the same smells as the other products. I like the consistency because it's that type of consistency that's not too oily. It's oily enough. I'm going to apply it up here because I told y'all that I'm having some issues right there. And it's not because of nothing. It's just basically me wearing closures and, you know, not wrapping my hair up and having it on. You know the vibes, y'all. So it's good to take care of your hair up underneath the wigs. It's good to take care of your natural hair. Always take breaks. I like to take my breaks on Sunday. Sundays are my breaks, okay? Love it. Absolutely love it. If I was to choose a day, it would be Sunday to take my hair breaks, because Sunday you go to church. For the people that go to church, it's a chill day, it's a reset day, it's a, you know, it's a lot going into the day for Sunday. So I like to just do my hair routine. I'm gonna give y'all a video later on this week of me using that product, because I am gonna pop my wig back on. But I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video of LUSETA Beauty brand. I will be posting another video, so it's gonna be a part 2 later on this weekend. See y'all later. Love you. Bye. Peace.